This is the last part of my blush collection declutter. These were just some ones that I missed. So I'm going to finish out with this. This is another one of those Shea Moisture blushes that I got on clearance. This one is in Spice. And I got these from Ulta. And the color is just, I just really like it. I'm looking forward to wearing that. So I have that one. This is a new one I got with, it was like, you know, 2 lipsticks. And this is in Aurora. I've actually not even swatched this or anything. Ooh, that's beautiful. And this is one of their Lorax buildable blushes, so I'm excited about that. I got this new Fit Me Maybelline blush in the shade Medium Coral. They've recently redone their packaging, and I looked, and they don't have this exact color, but they have one in that color family. And then I got this from Marshall's. This is an e.l.f. blush in the shade Candid Coral. And I don't even know if this has been, swatched. It kind of looks like it. Might work for me in the winter. If not, I'll just pass this on to my cousin. She's lighter than me. And then I also got this from Haute Look, which was the Shimmer and Matte Cheek Palette from the Alter Ego lipstick from the Unzipped line from Lorac. And I got this on Haute Look. And this is the colors, and I am so obsessed. I can't wait. So I got that. And then the last but not least is this from Lunatic Cosmetics. This is their contour palette number 2. And this has contouring and cheek colors, but I'm putting it in here because it has more cheek colors than contouring, and you can see that. And this is amazing, and this is an indie brand. Excuse me, baby. My cat kind of got in the way there, but there's a lot of like really nice cheek colors, a yellow powder, some contouring, but I'm looking forward to using this more. I've used some of the cheek colors, and that's from Lunatic Cosmetics. So that's my whole cheek collection. Stay tuned for the declutter, and I'll be doing highlights, I'll be doing powders, lipsticks, everything. I have a few add-ons because I got some highlighters after I filmed, and I'm not sure if I included this one. This is a blushing bronze palette in light to medium, and this is a limited edition from Black Radiance, which is the same, owned by the same company as Wet n Wild. And I kind of really just got it for this. I kind of really got it for this highlight shade, which is, oh, look at that, which is kind of more of like a true gold highlight. So the blush is pretty too. I don't know how that showed up on my skin, but I really got it for the highlight. These are very inexpensive, so it was worth it, just even if I only used a highlight. So I have that. And then I have the Aurora glow kit, and I love it so much, so I actually went ahead and got the Moonchild from Anastasia Beverly Hills. My cat's like here, so I'm trying to work around my cat. And then that's what that looks like. This one I'm curious to see because I wanted the new one from what's it called, from Wet n Wild, and it was like this, yeah, silvery gold color. Pretty. And then the last one I got was the Sun Dipped glow kit, and I actually am getting the new one too, which is like the Sugar Plum or something. It's the one for holiday. I actually bought this once and returned it, and then now I'm buying it again. It has highlights I would use maybe more in the winter time, but I'm excited about that one. And then, like I said, I'm getting their new glow kit that's coming out for the holidays. And that would be the end of my Unless I didn't... I have one more, which is the Beach Cosmetics Wild and Radiant Baked Illuminating and Bronzing. This has bronzers as well as highlights in here. And you can see that. And that's what those look like. Oh, that's beautiful. That's right here. Alright, so that's the end of my highlighting collection, and next I think would be bronzers and things, and so we're plugging right away. Alright, bye!